What's going on, big dogs? How y'all doing? It's time for another video. And yes, that's right. We are doing another install today. Now, what we're installing today is gonna make things, I'm doing it for two reasons. I'll tell y'all what I'm doing. I'm gonna be changing the hood struts on the Ghost. Now, two reasons why I'm changing these things out. One is because, well, I do want the hood to raise up a little higher so it'll be a little bit better whenever I'm trying to get light in there. You know, my new lighting that I got in here, it's, you know, the hood kind of covers a little bit of that up. So to have a little bit more space is a good thing. Two, I believe the shock on the driver's side is like it doesn't come up like it should. Now, hopefully that's going to resolve that issue. But if it don't, then at least I got the hood to raise up higher and I got something that looks a little cleaner. But tell you what, let's take a look at the bench and I'll show you what I have, and then I'll show you the issue that I'm seeing with the stock hood struts that are on the car now. So let's check out the bench first. All right, this is what we got here, dog. We have the Grimmspeed high lift hood struts. So these are going to be raising the hood up a little bit higher than what it normally does, and it also comes with these little plates or little placards that you put on the side here, which I'll put them on after we install them. Clean it off with a little alcohol and then put them on there. There's one for each one. Came with a sticker, and bam, came with a little card. The person who pretty much packed it from Grimmspeed. Okay, so now let me show you guys what the hood is doing. Okay, so I'm gonna let this thing down a little bit. I'm about to do some work on the Ghost here. I'm about to do some Cerakoting here. And here we go. So I come up. Before, when I had it, it would just go up from right here, but right there, it's struggling. Come up. When I first got it, I would lift it to that point, and it would just come right on up. I may be tripping, I don't know, but like right now, that's pretty much how far it goes up right now. What comes in handy is if this thing can go up a little bit higher. That way then it gives me a little bit more room to get in and out of the engine bay. So I don't know. So this is more of a quality of life sort of thing. But I don't know, I like it. I think I like it better if it raised the hood up a little bit more. So that's kind of really the main reason why I'm doing it. I'm gonna have to find something to prop this up with just in case. All right, fam, so I'm gonna start with the driver's side. So now these things seem fairly easy to come up off of here. So if you look right here, there's a little indentation right in there. Just enough to fit a flathead in there. Now I'm assuming I should be able to pry this out of there like so. And there we go. That's out of there. Oh, dang, I just snapped it back in there. Let me use both my hands. You guys see the general idea of what is needing to be done. So I'm gonna do this bottom one down here. That's gonna be hard to do. So that means I need to get a scribe. All right, here's my trusty scribe here. Nice little hook on there. I should be able to hook it right down here at the bottom. Hook it right here. And pull this out. And as I do that, pry my screwdriver in there, flathead screwdriver in there at the same time. And then let's work it on off of there. So now I should be able to, yep, comes right on out of there. And then snap it back in there. If that'll work, and it doesn't look like it will. But there's that. And then right here, which I don't need a scribe, so let's put that down. And then I'll pretty much hook this in here, like that. Got it out of there enough to where I should be able to pull it out. There it is. And it is removed. So now let me, oh Lord, there. Got a box to hold it up there. And there we go. So let's go ahead and compare this with the stock one with the new one. Okay, so here we go. So here's your stock one, your stock shock. And then here's the one from Grimmspeed. You can see there's definitely a size difference. Way longer. At least the shaft comes in a little bit longer there. So that's pretty much the difference between the two. Should be fairly easy to get it back on there. All I'm gonna do is, it's the same method. Pry this little notch back right here. And then once it's in, and then just push it back in and it'll snap right on that little ball that's on there. So let's go ahead and knock that out real quick. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get this bottom one in first, because that one's gonna be the difficult one, because there we go, not that difficult. Look like I lied. There we go. That snapped in. Then all we gotta do is turn this shaft around on this top half here. And then raise the hood up. And we're probably gonna have to, I'm gonna have to take the other one off first. So we're gonna let this thing rest right there. And let me take this other one off on the other side. All right, so we're gonna use a scribe here to pull this out. Oh, came off all the way, All right, so this is gonna be difficult as hell. And then I'm gonna pop this top off right here. There we go. Then we'll put the bottom one in on this side here. Let's get ourselves started. There we go. And now, all I gotta do is run this way, get it, lift up the hood a little bit higher to get it right inside where that little ball joint is supposed to rest. Get this retaining clip, get it to come out, and there we go. That one is in. All right, now over here on the other side, do the exact same thing. Grab the retaining clip, use your flathead screwdriver and twist it to pry it out. Slide the ball joint in there. Listen for that snap. And hood struts are installed. And there we go. And now we got that much more, and now I've got that much more space. You ain't gotta worry about hitting my head on here, because you know I'm tall. So that's there, completely out of the way. I got, how do they say in Step Brothers?
And here's the thing, it'll give us so much extra space in our room to do activities.
More space for activities. Pretty easy install, man. Not that bad at all. They're pretty nice. So let's see how it closes now. Let's check that out. I'm a little nervous about that part of it. So let's see here. Shut it down. And there it is. So now, let's see if that one being on there does anything for it coming up. See that? Whoo! It's got some jump on it. So yeah, so my stock hood struts, like I thought, they were starting to fail. Right there, I just lifted up to that point, and it throws this thing up. Now, how long it's gonna do that is what I'm gonna be trying to figure out. And I'll keep you guys notified on if it does tend to fail a little bit sooner or not, or if it's still holding up after a while. I'll do like a mod checkup on it, at least do a review on it by the end of the year. But there you go, man. Pretty easy install, super easy. Didn't take me anything but 10 minutes. You know what, man? I almost forgot one thing, these. So yeah, let's go ahead and put these things on. So let's see if we can find a suitable place to put them. All right, so let's see, before I use that, let's see how we're gonna do this here. Do you wanna put it like that? I kinda wanted to see it, like as soon as you open it up, bam, you see the Grimmspeed on there. Should I do it that way? No. probably this way on this one, and the other one I have it that way, so that way then the words are facing in, and one is going that way, the other one's coming this way. So I'll do that, and I'll center it right around. It's either that or I could put it here, right underneath there. Perfect. That's what I'm gonna do. So let's clean off the area with alcohol. Peel off that backing, and then we'll fit it right there like that. Press them on there. There is another little film right here on the top of that, but I'm gonna leave it there. There we go. Grimmspeed. Put that other one on the other side, and then we'll go ahead and close out the video. All right, y'all, so that's another install in the bag. Very easy. Like I said, you guys can do this stuff, man. This one was a fairly easy one, so yes, of course y'all could do this install, but there is all the other installs that I've done, you can do them. If you got just a smidget of mechanical know-how, man, you got this. Save yourself some money, do your own installs, man. I'm telling you, you'll feel better that you did it yourself, and you can actually say, yeah, man, I built my car. Because you put the pieces on there, you put it together. Now, you might not have tuned it unless you want to go above and beyond and learn how to tune too. Let me know where you had your classes at. But appreciate y'all, man. Thank you. Like I said, I'll link that thing in the description if you guys are interested in buying it. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, hit all so you get notified whenever I put out a video. And until that next video, big dogs, peace.